The Judicial Committee of the Privy Council, JCPC, has finally dropped the bombshell, setting the judgment date for Vybz Kartel and his crew's final appeal. And guess what? It's going down today, March 14th at 11 a.m. Jamaica time. Talk about high stakes. Fast forward to 2020, and their appeal was somewhat upheld by the Jamaica Court of Appeal. But wait, there's more drama. The four men took their case to the Privy Council, Jamaica's final court of appeal, seeking to turn the tables on their life sentences ranging from 22 to 32 years before parole. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty of this case. The Privy Council is zooming in on three burning questions. 1. Should the trial judge have ditched the telecom's evidence? 2. How should the judge have handled those jaw-dropping allegations of jury bribery? 3. Was the judge a bit too hasty in pushing the jury for a verdict? But here's where it gets even spicier, folks. The spotlight is shining on Livingston Kane, a juror convicted of trying to grease the wheels with a hefty bribe. Kartel's attorney argues that Kane's presence tainted the whole jury, while the prosecution is scrambling to defend the integrity of the trial. And guess what? The Privy Council ain't playing around. They're aiming for a majority decision, and if the convictions get the boot, the prosecution is gunning for a retrial. But hold your horses, because the defense is waving the flag of fairness, saying a retrial is just not on the cards. Now, it's time for you to sound off, viewers. Do you think Vybz Kartel and his crew deserve a retrial if the convictions are overturned? Or is it game over for them? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.